This will guide you how to update firmware on small business Cisco Switch CBS350. First of all, you have to download and install Cisco CLI Analyzer or PuTTY on your PC or laptop. Now you have to connect two cables, one console cable and other one is patch cable. The console cable, one end to the console port at the switch and other end USB port into the PC or laptop. Secondly, you can connect to the patch cable one into the switch port and other into the PC or laptop Ethernet port. Now physically connections are ready almost. Now you can open a Cisco CLI Analyzer, then click new session, then session login dialog box appear. Press type of connection, choose the serial, then port name. You have to find out the right port connected with the USB console cable on your machine. Then in my case it is a COM4. After pressing the connect button, you will get into the new session window. Until username appears, you can press enter button number of times. Issue your own username and password, otherwise default username and password Cisco. After logging into the global configuration mode, type interface VLAN 1, then IP address 192.168.1.150, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Then enter no shutdown. Exit from the configuration mode and then go to the enable mode. Type show run, then you can see the VLAN already configured with the IP address and subnet mask. Open a network and sharing center and go to the network connections, then choose the Ethernet adapter. Right click on Ethernet adapter and choose the properties, then scroll down to the Internet Protocol version 4 and double click on it. Instead of selecting the radio button of obtain an IP address automatically, you have to change to the radio button called use the following IP address. Then given the IP address 192.168.1 and 151. Then subnet mask should be the same as switch IP address subnet mask given the 255.255.255.0. Then default gateway should be the switch IP address, that is 192.168.1.150. Then press OK and continue with OK and close it. Now we will check the PC and switch having a communication through the UTP cable. Therefore, we start the DOS command prompt and issue the pin command using the IP address 192.168.1.150. That is the switch IP address, and press the enter. Then, if it is pin command success, that is mean having a good communication with the switch and PC. We open a Cisco product support switch website and choose the small business switch category and find out the right small business switch model. The switch model is Business 350 managed. Click on it. On that page, click the download tab and choose the right model of the switch. Then below the model, you can see latest firmware release and manage switch MIB. We download latest version of 3.5.0.26. You have to download only CBS350 firmware image latest release 3.5.0.26. Choose file directory where you want to download this firmware bin file. You can check the existing firmware version through the Cisco CLI Analyser or Internet Explorer. Using Internet Explorer, you can issue an IP address of switch and enter and log in with the same username and password. On dashboard menu, click Getting Started. Then under Quick Access, select Upgrade Device Software. The existing firmware file will be visible, but now you are going to upgrade the firmware. You can see operation type, then click Update Firmware. Copy method, you can choose as HTTP, HTTPS. Then file name as choose file name button. Then already you have downloaded the new firmware file, bin file. Then you have to upload that file. After uploaded firmware bin file, then press save button. Firmware bin file will be copied to the flash memory inside the switch. It will take few minutes. After successful installation, dashboard screen shows the success message. You have to restart the switch again, but not manually. You have to go through with the dashboard menu. There's a reboot option. Click the reboot option and then screen will show the top right corner reboot button. You have to press that reboot button to restart the switch. After confirming reboot is OK, then switch will restart and login will be appeared. After logging username and password, you will bring it to the dashboard. Then you can see middle top there's a blinking Plophidis icon. you have to click to save the latest update of the firmware. Click status and statistic on dashboard menu, then you will get it system summary. Click the system summary. System summary information will appear on the right side of the dashboard. Under software information, there is a firmware version active image. The version number will appear, which is the already installed one. Open a Cisco CL Analyzer and log into the switch, and you can issue the show version. Then you can see the current active image and inactive image. Inactive image is already previous version. It is saved in the flash memory. This CBS350 switch you can configure two different ways, through the dashboard or CLI command. You can easily do the configuration through the dashboard. Otherwise, you can choose the option CLI command through PuTTY or Cisco CLI Analyzer. I may think this will be help you to one step forward. So you can subscribe my channel and make it like, comment and share with your friends.